Welcome to 12 Cicada Ct Mulgrave. This is a property, double garage, front yard, and this is outside. Quiet, good neighborhood. Let me show you the house. Front porch. Okay. When you're in, on your right side, this is a master bedroom. Plenty of natural light, and this is the walk-in robe and the ensuite. Updated. The shower. Okay. You have plenty of storage place. And you will see the kitchen. This is the cooktop and the fence. Okay, the meal and also the laundry. You have access to the outside. And this is the main living meal area and another main living. You have ducted heating and cooling system. Let me show the bedroom first. This is the main bathroom. And then this is one of the bedroom. I have a built-in robe, good size. This is the last bedroom. So I have plenty of natural light. Let me show you the outside. Garage, you have covered outdoor space, and this is quiet, good size backyard. Okay, thank you so much.